Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. On today's designer reviews, we would like to review the Fendi mini bucket bag in red. This bag comes in two sizes, which is the mini and the medium size. As for this print, it is only available in mini size. And this bag is in silver hardware in red color. The bag is made out of calf skin, and it also comes with a removable handle. So let me remove it for you. As we remove it, we can use it as a crossbody bag. As for the crossbody strap, is a bit long, but we can adjust it by the side. The bag is very spacious and it can fit many items inside. But for the closure, it's a bit tight and it might be hard to close the bag completely. However, the bag is cute as it is. So let me show you what it can fit inside. So it fits my mini wallet, my iPhone, which is the iPhone X Pro Max, an AirPod, a hand cream, a lipstick, and a compact powder. There's still some space left for me to put my concealer and also a power bank. This bag is a mini bag, but it fits many items more than other bags, as you can see. And as I close it, it just fit perfectly. There are many styles that we can hold this bag, and here are some styles that I love to hold it. We can hold it downward, sideways, and also crossbody. But the strap is a bit long, so you can adjust it by however you like it. And I really love the crossbody style. As you can see, the strap is a bit long, so don't forget to adjust it. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. And comments below